Yes, Iyah. Jaman, good morning again on the Voice of Bedman YouTube channel. Yes, yes, Iyah. Yo, TJ, Michael man, put the day already, no, brother. You want me there already, you know. Someone you know, say, you know, see it. You can put in some strength in the morning, you know. You know, see it. Can put in some voluntary work. Yes, Iyah. Because I want to feel to really sort out as much as possible. And TJ, if you can get the football part of the thing sort out too. Because like you get my, because I say on good sports day they really concentrate upon, you know. You feel, you know. Like how you can get them, like how you get them if you start out if it's sports day, you know. See if you can get the don't just concentrate on the track alone. Concentrate on the football field too. Yes, TJ. Yeah, man, the football field start out too, brother. That's what I tell the morning baller them say if you can start out the football field. So the kids can play a big goal. Big up to the Sunday morning baller them, brother. But Jaja knows say you want him part of the sort out. You want it, you understand me? You want the football field part of the thing to sort out too, brother. You know see it? Yes. And that me I talk about Iyah. So we come on this morning now and try to see if we can, yes, can do some work. Pick up yourself, Iyah. But Iyah, the fight and struggle continue, you know. The fight and struggle continue, brother. Because they now maintain the place. Yeah, man. So you try if you, I know you try if so we can do, brother. Yeah. Yeah, man. As I say, play a joke thing and go on, brother. You know see it? So, you want to part, yeah? I ride on the goal line this, you know. Look at the place stay. Eh? Eh? You think that easy work, my brother? Jaja. The primary football is coming up. Yeah, man. So that's why they be sort out the football field too. Yeah. Yeah, man. The football field start out too, brother. I pay a joke thing there, brother. Hmm? Pay a joke thing. Yeah. Pay a joke thing, sure. Yeah, man. I put on my PMP. Then I put on my PMP gloves. Yeah. In orange. I'm try to see me can do as much as I can do. I'm going to burn. I'm going to bust some sweat. Yeah, man, for the youths, I'm a fall. Yeah, man, for the youths, I'm a fall, but like a pure joke thing, they might deal with. As usual, work me, I work out. Yeah, man. So I'm going to run the thing. I'm going to run the thing for around 10 minutes. You try to show me, say, you know, see it? You know, I get no. Me not get no pay for this here, you know. But judge and know say some ball more you never play. Cause I say I prepare for the 1st of August. So if Park Field start up, I can come. Yeah, man. You can come do something or so. Yes. And the beach nearby in a seat. So I don't work out. We can go across, we can look, I never go from the beach. We can just go across fishing village in a seat. I'm going to support all of my sisters. Go for a look at bar over there in a seat. Buy some refreshment, more time and cool out. And take a dip in the seawater and just go on my yard. So as I say, a long time in a fling cutlass in a brother. But what? Yeah, man. And the goal line team I deal with brother. So as I say, you want that stick, you know. Why am I tell Iyah? Why am I tell the staff? I tell you the money I do them work here and I get paid, brother. The thing guys, if you real machine and all them sitting there. Eh? I'm going to post up this. And no fun the morning ballers, Sunday morning ballers them. When you draw for the cutlass and come start to the field, brother. The tell us, concentrate on the big field for the youth them. In a seat. And the big field you are dealing with, brother. So, they go post up this. The money will come down man, and take them and shake my youth. And start out the big field, brother. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Unity is straight, brother. We do it for the youths, them. Of Falmouth. Yes. Yeah, man. We do it for the youths of Falmouth, brother. Because you see our gauge on him, man. Gauge don't come from both or so. So Gauge don't know nothing at all, but when we can see it over. When we can see it over, you know, because Tova come from both, so you know. That's why Tova say no foul farm can't build in can't put in home can't put in town. And that makes it Tova say. And big up yourself Tova for that. No foul farm. Can't put over center. And me alone speak about them thing there, you know. No foul farm can't put over center. And that Tova say. And big up yourself for that Tova. You see what people? No for no man in baller. You know, Joe and the Cutlass brother. And sort out the fee for the youths them. You know, so now, you deal with the man in the part there, you know. We're not playing the ball, but we're going to get strength. The route or so, to our levels, we want to get the part. Yeah, man, in part of it, yeah, man, for the goal line, we start out. Down the line. So, come go post up the sign now. I'm on the man them who see it. Even when time when I come back and play ball at Sunday morning time and I bring the Cutlass man and 7 can start out the entire field. The start out, brother. I'm gonna join Cutlass, put on in gloves. I'm gonna do some work. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. So at 10 minutes now, I'm gonna close the thing still. You understand me? Yeah.
Man, shit look like you are a rub man.
Eh? I saw the place is still a while, man.
That one is sharp, man.
No, it's only so we can chop out the youth already. Chop the pint all the while, so I'll let you come in there.
I won't sharp me to me yesterday. Yeah, man, I'm machine shop.
The worst thing is, name out the steel out there, they chop with a machine chop. Fine, if you buy and get it.
Boy, I'm going to tell you, brother. Yes, Iyah. They might work and work. I look at things to I look at things to the place is sunny. So I'm going to manage. So I'm going to post up the sun now and continue work. 11 minutes now, 12 minutes now. So TJ, I'm there already. I'm there already. I'm going to try to give you strength as much as possible. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. And big up yourself, Iyah. And big up yourself, Iyah. The Michael Manley Pitney. I step out now. We're going to drink the turkey porridge. Yeah, man. And put on my plan. And post up the one. Right Palm Park. Playground. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Michael Manley Pitney step out now.